Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain with the press pull command in this tutorial. And go into the press pull, you can observe on the modeling, on the 3D modeling workbench, you can observe the one below the polysolid, you can observe the press pull operation. In this, and go into the visualize and go into the conceptual of the 2D frame. I'm changing to the 2D frame. You can also change this on clicking on the right side. You can observe the shaded with edges. Some of the styles are observed. You can go into the top plane. You can also change the views also by simply click on that without going to the visualize, and by using the top plane and go into the polygon command. By using the polygon, I'm creating the one of the polygon of 6 sides and inscribed in the circle, and any of the dimensions as your wish. You can give the any of the dimension, and one of the polygon is created by copying the objects to the different, and I'm copying the object to the 2 times, and these 3 objects are created by using the polygon same as, and go into the southwest isometric. You can observe that these are the 3 objects. In difference between the all of the press pull, I will explain what are the features available in the press pull command. You can observe the 3 objects are created, and go into the home. You can observe on the below of the polysolid the press pull command is there, and click on the press pull on the command. You can observe the press pull, PRESSPULL press pull, and click on the enter key. You can observe the select the object it is asking, select the extrusion height. You can observe all the extrusion heights are I'm mentioning on the screen. You can observe 3 extrusions are completed by using the press pull of the single command I'm using. And I want to change it to conceptual. You can observe the solid models are created by using this press pull as compared to the extrude, and the press pull select the object specify extrusion height. You can increase the height or decrease the solids, and remove the material without using the subtract and the extrusion commands. In some cases these press pulls are very useful to save the time. You can observe the remove the material is possible, and increasing the of the material the possible. Simply clicking on the any of the boundary you want to any of the face. Simply select the any of the face and remove the material or increase the material to the extent positions. You can observe the 3 type of objects are created by using the polygon operation. See, you can also increase the height or increase the width, or decrease the width or decrease the length as you wish. You can give the any of the dimensions by using the press pull. The press pull is very helpful as compared with the extrude and subset. All of the difference between the extrude and press pull, you also some of the tutorials available on YouTube. You can also see the tutorials. I'm only explaining with the press pull. You can observe this is the press pull command. I want to develop the object. In the last time you can develop the object with the some of the cases. The press pull is very helpful. You want to remove the material, you can use the subtract command. In previous versions this press pull is not available, and you can observe the latest versions of the AutoCAD. The press pull is there. You can observe you want to change the properties. You can also change the properties. This is the solid model. You can observe on the double click on the any of the object. You can change the colors and the layer styles also by using the 3DF orbit and command. By using the 3DF orbit, you can revolve the object on 360 degrees position. You can observe that, and you can observe the 3DF orbit. I'm typing on the command and click on enter. You can observe the like this, and by using the mouse you can drag like this and rotate into 360 degrees position. You can observe the 360 degrees. These are the views. I want to remove the material by using the same as press pull again, and press pull and click on enter. You can observe the press pull and simply click on the any of the face. See, one of the model is created by simply you can develop the different types of models by using this command. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners. I'm explaining in 2016 software. This is the press pull operation. By using the command prompt also you can use this command. By going to the modeling also you can available, the press pull is available. You can also change the view styles and the current view styles, and the front view, top view. Can develop the any of the models in the last time by using this commands. so many tutorials are explaining about the 3D modeling, and the isometric drawings are also explained, and the practice drawings are also explained in previous tutorial. You can also check out my previous tutorials. And I'm again the press pull and select the object or boundary area. Simply select the boundary area, any of the select object. You can observe the press pull is created like this. By using the different types of objects, you can by using this command, mostly helpful to remove the material and add the material to any of the object. This press pull is very helpful, and this is the basic tutorial for the beginners. This is one of the command in the modeling, and some of the again I will explain some of the commands, 3D commands, in my next tutorials.